The city of Bellingham maintains hundreds of miles of roads, sidewalks, and bike lanes designed to keep you moving. Because our streets are planned for users of all abilities, whether you walk, ride, or drive, we're working our way through a long list of projects that include curbs and crosswalks, bike lanes, and pedestrian-activated crossing lights. Each project that the city undertakes requires a large amount of planning and thought. In addition to improvement projects, the city systematically maintains and repairs the already existing 600 miles of road and sidewalk. It's important to note that while sidewalks are a part of the public right-of-way, keeping the sidewalks free of obstructions is a responsibility of the adjacent property owner. Public Works has a planned schedule of street maintenance and repairs, but we understand that emergencies happen. If you see a pothole or another hazard in our streets, please let us know by calling 360-778-7700 or go to www.cob.org/PW.